So you just spent a bunch of time and money organizing your space, and now you need some accessories to kind of zhuzh it up a little bit. Maybe it's some pretty baskets, or maybe it's a beautiful tray and a plant. Well, you're in for a special treat today because I'm taking you shopping with me. Now, I'm not going to share where I am. I'm going to let you guess in the comments below. But let me tell you, this is one of our Canadian gems. I promise by the end of the video, I'm going to reveal exactly where I am at. But let me tell you, it's worth your time because I'm going to be showing you some pretty ideas for you to just up-level your space. Hi, I'm Sylvie. I'm a retired home organizer, and now I'm turning my focus inward and I'm settling into home life. On this channel, you're going to find me talking about organizing, about styling, about gardening, and even renovating, but all through the lens of curation. Welcome to Settle In with Sylvie. With the closure of the Bay in Zellers and the Container Store no longer shipping to Canada, finding good quality home organizing and styling accessories can be challenging here. Sure, we've got Amazon, Walmart, HomeSense, and IKEA, but finding enough matching pieces for a project, that can be tricky. That's why I love this store. It's a Canadian chain, so there's likely one in a city near you. They carry everything from baskets, trays, vases, lighting, bedding, greenery, and kitchen accessories. And the benefit to shopping here is that you can order multiples, which is a huge advantage when you're organizing a space. So without further ado, here are the items I source here. So you just finished decluttering and organizing your space, and now you want to line an entire shelf with maybe it's 12 matching baskets, or maybe you need some large round baskets for additional storage on your pantry floor. This is the place to buy them. A good basket, it does more than hide the clutter. It groups things together, and it adds texture and warmth, and it can make an otherwise ordinary shelf look much more finished. And if you need multiples, you can order them at this store online. These are a few of my favorites. I can't talk about all the basket options in this store. However, I'm going to highlight my top finds. These regular water hyacinth ones here were a staple in my home organizing business. They come in 3 sizes, and I think they're just so versatile, whether you're using them in a closet or in a pantry. I love these round water hyacinth baskets here. They come in 2 sizes. I have them in my own home, and we store cozy blankets for the living room in them. They also work great to store bulk goods on the floor of your pantry. These brown water hyacinth baskets are a newer item to the store. They also come in 2 sizes, and I really appreciate the squared bottom on them. And here's a few of their other options. So sometimes a shelf, it just needs a little pop of green to bring it to life. But you can't always use a real plant because of lighting constraints, or you don't want to deal with accidental damage from a leaky plant pot. And this is where their artificial plants come in. Whether it's for a few added leaves of greenery in a vase, however you say it, or a plant in a beautiful ceramic pot, they have a multitude to choose from here, some of which look more real than others. Adding greenery can make a room feel warmer and more inviting. These are a few of my favorites. This category was difficult for me to narrow. I really love this tall leafy arrangement. It's called dark gray mixed greenery and ceramic pot. And this greenery here is pretty impressive, and it looks incredible in this large vase. I also really love this waterfall plant. It's got a generous amount of foliage. I think that's why. And here are a few other options. Before I left, I bought this off-white hydrangea stem to add to a floral arrangement in my entranceway for this fall. I want to talk about this underrated decorating accessory. I love a natural looking clay base. I love it because they can add height, shape, texture, and personality to a space. And it doesn't even need flowers to look beautiful. You can display it on your entryway console like I have done, or even on some of these bookshelves behind me. You add a little bit of greenery or dried flowers, or you can leave it completely empty. These are a few of my favorites. Another category with some really great options at this store. I love the ceramic table vase. As you just saw, I have one on the console table of my entranceway. I'm also obsessed with this one. In fact, I keep eyeing it up and I'm surprised I didn't buy one when I was there, but I think I'm gonna go back and pick it up when I'm back from my travels next week. It's medium size and I think it would look great just about anywhere in your home. My last pick in this category was their mahogany ceramic table vase. Again, medium in size, but I think this rich brown color is very popular right now. And here's a few of their other options. Not only does a tray act as a style element in a space, but it can also be functional because it gives all those little things like keys by the door or your remote control on the coffee table or your salt and pepper shaker on the counter. It gives them all a place to land. Corralling these functional items together with some styling elements like a vase, greenery, or some stacked books and a candle, it keeps things looking not only styled, but also intentional. These are a few of my favorites. This was a difficult category for me to narrow down because they have so many options and it truly depends on your decor. Whether your home has more of a country feel or a more modern feel. But I love this larger dark wooden tray. I think a large tray can be especially useful on a coffee table or in a laundry room when you have larger items to sort of corral. I also really love this new ceramic wavy edge tray. This one is on the smaller side, but it'd be great on the counter of a walk-in closet just to hold the jewelry pieces you've taken off for the night. Or even on a nightstand or a bathroom counter, it's really chic. And here's a few of their other options. When I'm styling a kitchen, I don't want a lot of things sitting on the counters, but I do want the things that are out to look good. Things like wood cutting boards, a beautiful cake stand, salt and pepper mills. These are the kitchen styling accessories that add warmth, layers, and texture to your kitchen counters. The trick is, though, to start with a clear counter, put away what you don't actually use, and then let a few of your favorite pieces do the decorating. These are a few of my favorites. Now for their kitchen accessories. I could spend an eternity in this section, but I always feel it's a bit crowded as I'm letting people get by to go to the till. I love their new salt and pepper mill options. I think these are an easy way to add elegance to your kitchen. I love that they have these new ceramic utensil holders. We were always looking for options, and I always felt let down with what I'd find around our city, so it's refreshing to find these ones here. And these reeded glass canisters with wood lids. While they're on the small side, I love that they have two size options. I think that these would look so pretty displayed in a butler's pantry. You just can't store large quantities in them. And how could I not mention this beautiful reeded glass cake stand? It would look amazing displayed on the counter or shelf of a butler's pantry. And here's a few of their other options. And make sure you check out the clearance section in the back of the store. You never know what you'll find here. So if you guessed Bouclair, you guessed correctly. Privately owned and Canadian-based in Montreal, this is a gem that can easily be forgotten about, but don't sleep on this store when you're organizing or transforming a space. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe for more home organizing content.